ilahle njengomnyaka Isaya kubhubhe ukungaluziya makube njalo empilweni yam namhlanje udikilahle labakadaroboshakata udikilahle emlonyeni wakho, udikilahle engqondweni yakho, udikilahle empilweni yakho. Tulimnikhe ithweni kerubhi isakwenye sibeke phansi simanga simeza. Uyayifana nto sethula ntoni isithaba sibekwa phansi na uzawukhahlela istatus sibekwa phansi le nto uthi nguyiyo uyibeka phansi sibeke phansi simanga simeza. Namhlanje ngifuna usihlubule sethule imiqhele thule imiqhele sibeke phansi simanga simeza. It was during the time of worship, deep worship, apho yaphapazela khona isarafu yathatha le kerubhi ilahle yalisa. It was in the time of worship, not in the time of prayer, but the time of worship, not in the time of preaching, but the time